Today yesterday we are already learned about that open pipe, frequency modes of open pipe. Okay, in an open pipe. Next, we are enter into the new topic, and today, so that is frequencies of various modes of vibrations in closed pipe. Frequencies of various modes of vibrations closed pipe in closed pipe. Next, vibrations of air column in an closed pipe. So now this is the topic, vibrations of air column in an closed pipe. What is the closed pipe? Closed pipe means one end is closed, another end is open. That is called as closed pipe. Next, so how the formation of stationary waves in closed pipe. So stationary waves, how to formation the stationary waves in closed pipe. So now we are enter into the topic. So stationary waves. What are the stationary waves? Stationary waves means when two waves which are in the opposite direction and in the same line, when they are superimposed, the resultant wave form the standing wave or stationary waves. Then the waves are going traveling into the closed pipe, then the reflect to in other end, the wave is reflected to another end, that is come to superimposed, the resultant wave is formed, that is called as stationary waves. And next, now find out the fundamental frequency. Before find out the fundamental frequency, we are in, so study these points. The sound waves are reflected at closed end of the pipe in opposite direction. The resultant, the stationary waves are formed. The result is the stationary waves are formed. So in open pipe, the waves are not reflected. The waves are transmit only. So that is the difference from closed pipe and open pipe. The sound waves are reflected only at closed end in a closed pipe, but the sound waves are transmit it in open pipe. Okay, that is a different from this one. And the stationary waves are formed. And next, the node is formed at closed end. The node is formed at closed end. The antinode is formed at another open end. So only at open end antinode is formed and closed end node is formed. And next, so now we are going to find out the fundamental frequency, means first frequency. Okay, so so this is the closed pipe. So these one end is open, another end is closed. So the wave is coming to this side, and next traveling in the closed pipe, and next reflect at this point, and next coming to superimposed that reflect to the wave in a closed pipe. So in the closed pipe, this is the first mode. In closed pipe. Okay, the length is we say only L. The length is L. And next, so that is L equals to lambda by 4. Already yesterday in open pipe we learned L length equals to the total length equals to lambda by 2. Why it is only lambda by 4 is there? So why? Because in the open pipe, that is closed wave is there. One is the half wave, another one is end is the half wave. So that is closed one wave, but is there only half wave. So is there formed first in the first mode, is there only half wave. Okay, so the because of L equals to the wavelength is lambda by 4. Okay, and next, lambda equals to, this is the 4 is divided by 4 is there, so it is going to outside, then multiplication with 4L. Okay, lambda equals to 4L, that is nu equals to V by lambda. You know this equation in the same way as it is in open pipe. We know that formula. So nu equals to V by lambda value. How much value is there? 4L. So 4L is submitted in the above equation. Okay, nu equals to V by 4L. This is called first or fundamental frequency. Here one node and one antinode is formed. Where the node and antinode? So this is the long, means maximum displacement, maximum amplitude is there, and this one is amplitude and displacement is 0. So this is called as node in the closed pipe. And next this is the maximum amplitude is there, so this called as antinode. Okay, so one antinode and one node is there. Okay, and next this is